glasses? Or kahit na anong glasses meron ka? Lumalabas ka ba ngayong pandemic? At nagpa-fog ang glasses mo while wearing your face mask? Well, in today's video, as a Pinay Viajera, I'm gonna share to you 3 easy ways on how to avoid having fog on your glasses. Keep on watching. Well, first easy way, I have my glasses here. Kahit anong face mask meron ka. Ito, gator. Gator yata tawag dito. May parang pang rider. Pwede. Ganito man. O ito. Or yung KN95. Whatever mask you have. So, it still works. So, if you have a tissue like this one, so, pwede nyo i-fold yung tissue. Then, put it here on top. So, ang nagkukos ng fog kasi pag lumalabas yung air dito, tapos nagpapawis ka na, basa na. The idea is, huwag natin palabasin yung air sa may bandang glasses natin. So, kung ito lang yung accessible nyo, halimbawa kumakain kayo sa restaurant or kahit sa fast food, kung may tissue kayo or may makukuhanan kayong tissue, so you can use it here. Yeah. Put it on top. Second half, kung may ganito kayo surgical tape, which I don't have, or band-aid, pwede nyong ilagay dito, idikit dito para totally walang air lalabas. I don't think gagana yung scotch tape. Baka ma-irritate yung mukha nyo. Pero surgical tape, safer pa. Pwede nyo ilagay dito. Dikit nyo dito yung band-aid or yung surgical tape. So, half ng band-aid dito, half tataas sa skin nyo, and half ng band-aid sa mask. Para magsisil lang kayo para sa gilid lahat lumabas yung hangin or under. Hindi sa taas. Sa taas. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na nagpa-fog yung glasses ko because I did already the third hack. Or sa pangatlong way, which I always do, and for me, it works well, and marirecommend ko talaga is use a bar soap on your glasses. I've been doing this for years. When I was in Spain, nagpa-fog doon, snow doon. And the moment na suotin ko to, paglabas ko, puro fog. Fog lang yun. Nag-fog yung glasses ko kasi super lamig. Ang ginagawa ko, ito, if you have glasses, get your glasses and a piece of bar soap. So, kiss-kiss nyo lang siya dyan. Better kung sa loob at labas. So, like this one. Like this. Once nalagyan nyo na ng bar soap, any soap, ito nga, Kojic ito. Get a cloth, kahit ano, basta malinis, and hindi nakaka-scratch ng glasses. So, like this. Tanggalin nyo lang yung soap, pero i-rub nyo sa buong glasses. So, ito yung nagsaserve na protection sa glasses nyo. And, ito rin ang nagpapa-anti-fog. Kahit anong gawin nyo, hindi yan mag-fog. So, you can redo it once a week maybe, or more, depende. Kung na-notice nyo nagpa-fog na yung glasses nyo, pwede nyo ulitin ito. But, this one is actually the best. Let's try. Bugahan natin. Look at guys. Wala eh. Walang fog. wala talaga. So, this one, kahit nga bugahan ko ng hangin, hindi siya nagpa-fog. So, it's very effective. So, yan. So, hindi na talaga yan magpa-fog.
And that is it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it to someone who is also struggling having foggy glasses. So if you want to go outside, always remember, wear your face mask, face shield, and keep safe, everyone. As always, thank you so much for watching. Adios!